Hello everyone, my name is Russell Carlin, and this is my week 1 review for AVF 1209. And this week it's not that much to show, I guess, just because this first week all we had to do is our launch page, and I mean that was enough. It took me a good while to just get everything to work and installed and running correctly and all that stuff, but I finally did get it, and I'll start with the iPad here, if I can get a good angle so it doesn't glare much. This is my launch page here, and it's just basic for now. I mean, it's not too fancy. I didn't get too technical in all the, design stuff, but has all these links are under construction because obviously I don't have any of the native features yet or the new app, because I'm making a completely new app for this. And so all these, are just under construction until we actually get to that point. And my old CRUD from MIU is on here. I don't know if you can see that very well, but and it all works on here finally. Only thing it doesn't work is it doesn't have the image. I don't know why. That one image that's the logo at the top, the header or whatever, it for whatever reason doesn't want to show up, and I just got tired of fiddling with it, so I just kind of said, oh well. It's just our basic CRUD app from then. It's a guide maker for like different games, and yeah, so you go through and just make guides, and it's pretty simple. I mean, it was one of the earlier classes, and it has the form on here, of course, and this was designed for the iPad or the iPhone, so it is kind of off. Some of the things are a little messed up, but I mean, you get the general idea that it is on here and it's working. So next up is Android. Alright everyone, got the Android app running, or the simulator up, emulator, and this is kind of slow, so I might end up kind of chopping up the video, but here's the launch page, and it's the same thing. This has all the different placeholders, and when you click on them, it just goes to the under construction page to begin with. And the MIU CRUD is on here also, and this is the part that kind of runs a little slow, so it might take a bit to get going. And once again, this image, I don't know what's up with this image, but it's not popping up. Before, it always worked, and if I open it up through like the browser, it works, so I don't really understand why it's not working through here, but that's one issue, that it's not working through that. So, and here's the CRUD again. It's, like I said, just the guide. All these are different guides and stuff you can browse through, and you can save and edit and all that stuff. And here's the form. Now the form actually, everything looks good on here because we also had a design for the Android on this class, so everything is actually in place and what it's supposed to look like, unlike the iPad. So yeah, so that's all that. And for the new app I'm going to make, it's going to work with the camera mainly, and my launch page kind of goes with the app. It's, as you can see, it's a character sheet from like a role-playing game like D&D or something like that, and it's all designed like that because the app is actually going to be able to take pictures and put it into the image of like an item in a game, and then you can add stats to it, and just a little fun app like that. So it kind of ties into this, and I was wanting to put some examples down here of the app that I actually take and use the app to make, and put them down here at the bottom, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to do that or not, but there is a placeholder here in case I can figure that out, so hopefully I can. And next week will be a lot more to show, I would assume, because we have to actually have our native features starting to go. So I'll have the whole new app all fixed and ready to go, and up on the iPad and on the emulator here. and it should be interesting. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.